Hello, my name is Rajat Prasad, a certified treasury professional, and I am founder and CEO of Prashanti Forex. Today, I am going to talk about a subject which is very important in everyone's life. Do you know that your 1 crore investment can become 35 lakhs in 10 years if you do not invest wisely? Let us see how it happens. We all know that inflation eats our money. So, as per the data, consumer inflation is 6.7%. But if you take into consideration your lifestyle inflation, that is what you consume today, your inflation is around 10%. So, value of your money will go down by 10% every year. So, let us see how your inflation eats up your investments if you invest in various instruments. First, let us see if we do not invest anywhere and we keep our money as it is, that is, we only keep cash. So our value of money will go down by 10% every year, and by this your 1 crore will become 35 lakhs. The value of 1 crore will reduce to 35 lakhs of today after 10 years. Second investment which most people do is either saving bank or FD. And average investment value, that is the return you get, is around 4 to 5%. If we calculate, if we reduce the value of inflation, that is 10%, it will come to almost 52 lakhs. Some people have started investing in metals like gold and silver because gold and silver has given very good returns in last 3 to 4 years. But if we see their performance in the last 10 years, they have given an average of almost 9%. So if we see the adjusted inflation returns on gold and silver, it will come to 90 lakhs. That means your 1 crore value will come to 90 lakhs if you sell your gold or silver after 10 years. Now let us see how the equity has performed over the last 10 years. Despite the market fluctuations, equity has given a return of almost 15% average in the last 10 years. That means adjusted inflation, still it is giving 5% plus. So your 1 crore value will become 1.6 crore approximately. So as these figures speaks, equity investment is considered as the best investment for all the investors. So as you can see, investment in equity not only preserves your wealth but grows it potentially. Long-term investment and smart investment is what we suggest to all the investors. And if you want to get your investment strategy designed by Prashanti Forex, you can contact us. Our number is 84528 08533. Thank you.